Ooh, I'm a dreadhead right now. Alright. Look at this. You see what's going on here? Mind you, this is not new growth. This is just my hair after I washed it. And now look at me. Look at me. This is where I'm at. So here I'm showing you guys what my old hairstyle looked like. It's a week old and it was really good until it wasn't. So I'm gonna attempt to redo it. But first I'm taking out all of my hair clips that took a while. I'm not taking them out of the plaits, I'm leaving them as is. And I'm using these products: water, wild hair growth oil, and jojoba oil. Somewhere along the way I decided that a couple of my plaits needed to be done, so I took them out and decided to try to tighten the twist. Now I'm not professional. This is my first time attempting to retwist my roots on my own, so you're gonna see me struggle a bit with it. Try to maintain my pads and just gather up some of the loose hair at the roots. And you're gonna see me do something really weird. So if you're accustomed to having locks, I know you're gonna cringe by what I'm about to do, but I don't know any better. So if you want to leave a comment down below about the proper way to retwist, or leave a link to a more professional person here on YouTube, definitely feel free to do so. So here I'm just loosely braiding the hair down. It might not look loose, but I tried as much as possible to ensure that, especially at the root, that the hair was loose. I'm just braiding it all the way down and then securing it with a rubber band at the end. I've heard that, you know, rubber bands over time damages your locks, but so after I'm done, while in my scalp, I give myself a quick head massage and make sure that the oil is on my scalp, and then I use the wild growth oil on my edges and massage that in. And then this is the weird part. I think you're supposed to wet your hair first before applying oil. Liquids should go before oils. So I'll remember that for next time. Even though I was only putting the oil on my scalp, I just feel like the proper way to do it is to put the oil after. But here we are. I'm moisturizing my locks with water. That's my face. Realizing I made a mistake. After that, I'm just ensuring that the moisture gets deep within the lock, and then I'm following that up with grapeseed oil. And here is my first attempt to recreate that first hairstyle that I had, and it is an epic fail, as you will see. When this hairstyle was done, you could tell the look on my face. I was not pleased with it. It was lopsided, one side was longer than the other. It just didn't look like the original hairstyle. So here I am, trying again, this time with a deep side part. Gathering all the hair to one side and attempting to do somewhat of a flat twist. A flat twist at the crown. And what I realized throughout this whole process of styling my hair is that because I have such thick locks, and then those thick locks are braided into thick plaits, it's the matter of just moving the hair and tucking it and pinning it so it looks good. It's not a matter of perfection. So when I was done with that flat twist, I made sure that I had a row of hair out underneath, and I pulled that hair almost like a roll, and I rolled upward and kind of tucked that above and started pulling hair to kind of create like a roll. I don't know how else to describe it. It's a roll. And I was having such difficulty bringing the braids from that side of my head to meet the hair from the other side of my head, and I eventually figured out what to do with that one plait that just didn't seem to go anywhere. So as you could see, I eventually put the plait to the top of the roll, and so far on my very short lock journey so far, I've learned that having locks is just allowing your hair to go with the flow. It really is. You have very little control sometimes about the size of your lock, the length of certain locks, your lock hairstyles, and I've learned to just let go and listen to my hair, and it's been a great experience so far. Of course, I've only been 1 month locked, so it sounds crazy for me to be saying this, but I really am enjoying my lock journey so far. So here I'm making sure that the style is secured and that all the hair is in place. There are a few gaps that you're gonna see me adjust and pull and tuck. I'm definitely more pleased with this one than the first attempt. And it's interesting because the hairstyle definitely changed throughout the days. I'll try to insert a picture towards the end of what it currently looks like now, but I pulled some of the braids closer towards my forehead simply because I have a big old forehead. I did this without like a second mirror, but I really love how it turns out. As promised, here's the final look, along with a little makeup look. I adjusted the front of my head here, so that the hair came and covered a bit of my forehead a bit right there. Not a lot, just enough. And I'm modeling and I'm modeling. You go, girl. The style isn't really intricate. It's something that could be easily replicated in your own way, however your own locks fall, or even if you have really big box braids, you could replicate this hairstyle. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, leave tips and comments, share with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Bye.